Decide learns how you decide, then compensates accordingly. You start with a quick behavioral quiz grounded in Nobel Prize-winning economics research. It maps you across 6 dimensions: how you handle risk, how far ahead you think, how fast you commit, how easily you adapt, how independently you judge, and how well calibrated your confidence is. Here is mine, a Warren Buffett type: high decisiveness, high adaptability, patient and independent. But my risk stance is a bit bold, and my calibration is a little loose. The quiz is just the starting point. It won't be perfectly accurate on day 1, and that's by design. Because Decide keeps learning, connect your bank, Google Calendar, Gmail, YouTube, and soon investment accounts, Coinbase, Spotify, Reddit. Each source reveals something the quiz can't. My bank data pulled my decisiveness down. Turns out I make more impulse purchases than I thought. But my YouTube data push adaptability up. I watch across 21 different topic categories. The more you connect, the closer your profile gets to reality. The other way Decide learns is through your decision journal. You can chat with the AI assistant by voice or text to document decisions as they happen. The assistant doesn't just record. It acts like a coach, breaking down your reasoning, spotting biases you might have missed, and offering reframings you wouldn't have considered. Over time, your profile converges toward your true self, not who you think you are, but who the data says you are. And the more accurate your profile becomes, the better Decide can help you see your blind spots, challenge your defaults, and make decisions you won't regret.